For more than 2 decades now, a Gold Star wife has dedicated Memorial Day to honoring her husband and all service members who gave the ultimate sacrifice.
This holiday carries a heavy weight, and Semper Solaris is stepping up to help her family where it can. CBS 8's Abby Black is in Bonsall with an extraordinary act of gratitude.
Gold Star wife Michele Lynn says that Memorial Day will be different from years past. Instead of grief and remembrance, she now has something to smile about, knowing that her energy bills will be manageable and her home will be comfortable year-round.
May 19, 2003, U.S. Marine Staff Sergeant Aaron White died in a helicopter crash in Iraq. His wife, Navy veteran Michele Lynn, and their 1-year-old daughter Bree buried him a week later on Memorial Day.
It was 22 years ago, but the loss is still there. The grief is there. It just changes over the years.
Despite her unwavering commitment to honoring her husband, serving as a peer mentor in the Gold Star Spouses chapter, and advocating for legislation for military widows, she's fallen behind on skyrocketing energy bills.
I still owe them a lot of money, and it'll be really nice to not have to do that. I'm just looking forward to more freedom.
Lynn tried keeping bills down even during scorching temperatures and chilly nights.
We don't use the heat or the air conditioner in our house because of the expense.
Her story resonated with Semper Solaris' latest Project Zulu, a Semper Cares Initiative which has provided 26 free solar systems to veterans struggling with energy costs since 2014.
It's so hard when you read all these. I'm emotional Irish Marine, so I cry, whatever. I'll read these things, and I'm like, that's the one, that's the one, that's the one. And this is our first Gold Star wife.
For Michele, solar panels were always out of reach until now. This Memorial Day gift means that there's a little bit of joy in a day that's been filled with grief.
It is outrageously expensive. I was never in the position to afford it myself. So this is like winning the lottery, like the energy lottery.
To nominate a veteran for Semper Cares Initiative, go to CBS8.com and click on the Help button. Reporting in Bonsall, Abby Black, CBS 8.